Hi everybody. Today I will be doing my presentation on 3D printing. I will be discussing what it is, how 3D printing can be used, and the benefits that it provides, some examples of 3D printing, the cost and revenue associated with it, as well as South Dakota business opportunity. The creation of a 3D printed object is achieved using additive processes. In an additive process, an object is created by laying down layers of material until the object is created. Each of these layers can be seen as a thinly sliced cross-section of the object. The different types of materials that can be used are plastic, which is the most common material, powders such as alumide and polyamide, which is nylon, as well as resins, metal, paper, and more. 3D printing can be used in everyday application, ranging from eyewear and footwear to design and furniture. It can also be used in workplaces and in jobs such as creating industrial products, such as manufacturing tools, prototypes, and parts. It can also create dental products, prosthetics, reconstruction of fossils, replicating ancient artifacts, as well as creating movie props and so much more. Here are a few ways that 3D printing can be used in everyday life. It can be used to create different phone cases with tons of different varieties, as well as cases for laptops, iPads, and anything else that would be more protected with a case. The second picture includes 3D printed cogs and gears that can be used in items such as machinery or clockwork. The bottom left is a picture of how 3D printing can help build houses for people in places that are not as developed. The last picture is a 3D printing machine that is projected to build a concrete house. The adoption of 3D printing has reached such a large mass that those who have yet to utilize 3D printing can be considered part of a shrinking minority. 3D printing was only suitable for creating prototypes and short-term manufacturing in the beginning. However, it is now rapidly increasing into an essential part of production technology. Even though most of the 3D printing is in the industrial industry, there are so many other industries that can benefit from using 3D printing. Acumen Research and Consulting forecasts the global 3D printing market to reach $41 billion by 2026. The top picture shows us how revenue from 3D printing has been steadily increasing in the healthcare industry over the past 4 years, and keep in mind that it is showing in the healthcare industry, an industry that 3D printing isn't primarily used in. The bottom picture shows the cost per machine, and as they are becoming more prevalent, the cost of each machine is gradually decreasing. There are so many ways that South Dakota could benefit from 3D printing. There are jobs such as commercial sales representatives, mechanical design students, designers, and dental CAD/CAM designers. However, some unexpected ways that it can create business opportunities is by creating jobs that include creating promotional products for businesses, collectible options for fans, spare parts that can be rare to find, especially for farm equipment, as well as customized fashion. Overall, 3D printing can be an extremely beneficial tool that can revolutionize how industries function as well as everyday life. There really are endless ways that 3D printing can be used, and I'm sure it will only continue to increase as it becomes more popular and more developed over time.